Welcome. In front of me I have STELIO Junior Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to unlock it, and then after you unlock the screen, swipe left to open the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the More option, and once you find it, tap on it. Here find the settings icon and tap on it, of course. And now find the language option and tap on it. And now you should see the list of languages. You can scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use, and once you find it, you can tap on the language to select it. Let me actually select Spanish, and then you can press the crown button to go back. And as you can see, the language was applied. And then you can press the crown button even more, couple more times to go back to watch face, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.